Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Great tip today sent in by Graeme. Graeme's from Manchester in the UK. He's talking about autocomplete. Autocomplete's that cool bit of functionality that once we've entered a vendor name once, we can basically just hit sometimes letter or first few letters of the vendor's name. Now, it doesn't work out well if you had something that is relatively similar. So Manchester and Malloy, I'd have to type either M-A-N or M-A-L now at this point to get it to finish. But Graeme said, the frustrating thing with this is I have a list of 31 days going down the left-hand side, and if we don't do some business on one particular day, if there wasn't a vendor on that day, and we skip, well, now all of a sudden the autocomplete doesn't work. I hit the Q, and it doesn't do anything that we need to do. So Graeme's tip was, he said, before I start the month, I come here to all of these blank cells, the cells I'm going to be filling in the future, so the first 31. I type equal and then quote, quote. Equal, quote, quote. Basically, those cells now look like they're blank, but even if we skip a few days, if there was no order here, and now I begin again, I can type the first letter, and that works out great. Now, another tip is if you have an adjacent column, if we would just add a new column A and put the numbers going down 1 through 31, that seems to give Excel a pattern that, hey, this is all a data set, and even if we skip a couple of days, it still will manage to fill in. But a great way to take that cool autocomplete feature and make it just a little bit more usable by filling the cells with basically blanks. I want to thank Graeme for sending that in, and want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.